Be ready. Start. Mr. Deputy Chairman, sir, this is quite a simple bill which tries to regularize or rather bring up to date some of the rules regarding licensing, and for that purpose the definitions are sought to be changed. Now it is quite obvious that when these definitions have been adopted, it will give a new type of work to the ministry, and it is in anticipation of this new type of work like telecommunication, television, etc., that these particular definitions are sought to be extended. It is therefore quite relevant to point out that the new responsibilities which the ministry is undertaking as a result of the changes in the definitions of the terms for the purpose of licensing could be effectively discharged only if the administrative setup is also suitably changed so as to make it possible for these new responsibilities to be adequately discharged. Sir, we know that the zonal system in our telegraph and postal departments still requires a lot of change, and if these new responsibilities are to be adequately discharged, it will be necessary to recognize and to create some new zones. For example, a zone for Gujarat might now become necessary in view of the fact that the new state has come into being, and it is desirable that there is a special zone which looks after the needs and requirements of that particular area. Similarly, there may be other areas also where it may necessary to create new zones so that administrative bottlenecks could be avoided and new responsibilities could be effectively discharged. Still more important than this reorganization of the administrative setup wherever necessary and desirable is the question of the effective, loyal, and willing service of the employees, and in that connection I am sorry to state that some of the aftermath of the central government employees strike still continues even in this department, which creates a certain amount of heartburning among the employees, and as has been shown through many examples cited by my honorable friend who spoke before me, there is a general impression that the administration of both the post and the telegraph service is deteriorating. I do not know how far it is because of the top heavy nature of the administration, or how far it is because of the dissatisfaction among the employees over some of the policies that might be followed by government. Stop.